Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MYX Finance token. Now the MYX Finance token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced. A brand new listing announcement just popped up today for this project. Name of the token is MYX Finance Token. Ticker symbol is MYX. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here in the corner of the screen as well. They have a huge Twitter following, 236,900 Twitter followers. Gold verified check mark. It says revolutionizing on-chain perpetuals, permissionless, zero slippage, community-driven, backed by Sequoia, Consensus, Hack VC, and more. And then they have a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They have a web page, they have a full white paper, Telegram, Twitter, etc. So check out the Git book basically for all the info. And it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, May 6th at 10 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code in the description box of this video. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT, and then when this token gets listed tomorrow, go into the trade section and search MYX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, check out their Twitter for more updates, announcements, same with their Telegram. But the MYX protocol is powered by its proprietary matching pool mechanism, MPM trading engine. MYX offers an unparalleled on-chain derivatives trading experience. So MYX offers USDC margined perpetual future contracts with up to 50 times leverage. As an innovative, decentralized, perpetual exchange that achieves zero slippage through its unique matching pool mechanism, seamlessly matching long and short positions, MYX enables capital efficiency of up to 125 times, unlocking boundless opportunities for traders. They have here the settlement, so denomination is settled in USDC. They have the period is perpetual, no expiration. Margin modes is isolated margin, maximum leverage 50 times, and funding rate, a funding fee is transacted every 1 hour with the party of larger open interest paying the other party. Now, they have the trading experience with instant order fulfillment, and amplified liquidity providers stand ready to serve as counterparties to traders, enabling instant trade execution without relying on a matching engine. Also, fair indexed prices, so real-time indexed pricing sourced from Pyth Oracle underpin all transactions, mitigating the impact of sudden price fluctuations or manipulation. Also, high leverage. Amplified returns with up to 50 times leverage and non-custodial exchange. No registration needed. Retain full custody of your funds and lower costs. Benefit from the most competitive on-chain derivatives transaction fees and carrying costs. So they have how does it work section. So they have type of orders here. Number one is the buy to open order. So buys index token to open a long trade, increases long open interest. Number two is the sell to close order. So sells index token to close an existing long position, decreases long open interest. And number three, sell to open orders, sells index tokens to open a short trade, increases short open interest. And buy to close orders, buys index token to close an existing short position, decreases short open interest. So how does liquidity pools facilitate trades? Well, inherent to MYX's non-order book framework is a characteristic disparity in long and short open interest. Liquidity pools serve as counterparties and subsequently transfer positions to match long and short traders in a delayed fashion. So liquidity pool assumes passive positions and acts as a counterparty to facilitate instantaneous trades. The liquidity pool reserves collateral, thereby meeting full potential loss-related obligations. So it says market is at equilibrium, and then they have an example, and Marcus, so just a bunch of different examples of that you can find on their page. Now, they do have a full audit that you could check out and in their document section as well. They have all sorts of tutorials, but the tokenomics here, there's a total supply of 1 billion tokens. 20% of the tokens will go to team and advisors. 20% goes to institutional investors. 45% goes to community rewards. 10% will go to initial liquidity. 5% will be reserved for the future. And they do have trading costs, MLP reward section, so fee rewards, liquidations, risks. There's a partnership program, social medias. Now, if you want to follow the Telegram, the Telegram is at MYXTGBot on Telegram. And they have here the community Telegram is also at MYX_finance. So 2 different Telegrams, it looks like. And the webpage is MYX.finance, and you would go /EN for English. Now, this is the new species of perpetual decentralized exchanges. So go check out the MYX Finance token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.